The OAK&IRON Battery Tire Inflator is a compact and portable device designed to help you quickly and easily inflate your tires, whether you're at home or on the go. It features a rechargeable lithium-ion battery that provides up to 40 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, so you can inflate multiple tires without having to worry about running out of power. The device is equipped with a bright LCD screen that displays the current tire pressure, making it easy to monitor and adjust as needed. It also has a built-in LED light that illuminates your work area, making it easy to inflate your tires even in low light conditions. One of the standout features of the OAK&IRON Battery Tire Inflator is its fast inflation speed, which can inflate a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in just 4 minutes. This is significantly faster than many other tire inflators on the market, which can take much longer to reach the desired pressure. Overall, the OAK&IRON Battery Tire Inflator is a well-designed and reliable device that can save you time and effort when it comes to inflating your tires. Its compact size and portability make it a great choice for anyone who needs to inflate tires on the go, and its fast inflation speed and easy-to-use features make it a standout option in the market. Reviews of the product have been overwhelmingly positive, with customers praising its fast inflation speed, easy-to-read LCD screen, and long battery life. Some users have noted that the device can be a bit noisy when in use, but this is a minor issue considering its overall performance and convenience. If you're in the market for a reliable and efficient tire inflator, the OAK&IRON Battery Tire Inflator is definitely worth considering.